All right. Hungry? I got Subway. Let's do it. On my sub, I get ham, white American. I get pickles, banana peppers, jalapenos. I get lettuce, tomato. I get a little salt and pepper, oil and vinegar, mayonnaise, and the honey mustard. Honey mustard on the sandwich, that kills every time. Now I just got it on my pants. Great. Now I'm in love with this sandwich. I am. If y'all know, these probably the best cookies fast food wise. I ain't gonna lie. A couple years ago, I'm not going crazy. There were some s'mores cookies. Y'all let me know if I'm tripping. There were some s'mores cookies at Subway. Some of the greatest stuff ever. Like, who's beating this? McDonald's? Maybe. I don't know. Just some good stuff. To me, it's not even a comparison. I don't even know. I could cry. I cry. Y'all let me know what I see some of y'all comments. I know I'm gonna get to them. But just let me know. Keep letting me know so I can know where to go next from here and there.